Bonjour mes amis, hi guys, this is Ali Shahnur and welcome to my channel French for Beginners. In this video, you will learn to present yourself or introduce yourself with 6 sentences in French. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate if you could press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get all the notification. And please like this video, share with your friend if you think it's useful to learn French. So without further delay, let us start with the introduction. Se présenter, which means to present oneself. So here we are going to present ourselves. So we'll start here with our name, then we'll tell our age, then the place where we live, nationality, one like and one dislike. First sentence, Je m'appelle, and you will tell your name here. For example, Je m'appelle Ali. My name is Ali. 2. J, and you will tell your age. For example, J 40 ans. Here you need the number. For that I have a video on number system in French. So you can check that video for the French numbers. So J 40 ans, which means I am 40 years old. 3. Je suis, and you will tell your nationality here. And we need to learn the nationalities because they are different from English and we have gender for the nationalities. For example, Je suis indien. If I am a male, so I would use Je suis indien. If the person is a female, that person will use the feminine form of this nationality, which is India, and feminine form will be indienne. So there is a video on nationalities, so you can check that video to learn the nationalities in French. Which means I am an Indian in this case. J'habite à, and the city name. For example, J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. So Paris pronunciation in French is Paris because normally we don't pronounce the last consonant. So the S will be silent here. So Paris in French is Paris. J'aime le chocolat. Here we are talking about something that we like, which means I like chocolate. And finally, here's the 6th sentence, which is Je n'aime pas la salade. That means I do not like salad. You can mention anything which you don't like. Voila, here are those 6 sentences. Je m'appelle Ali. J'ai 40 ans. Je suis indien. J'habite à Paris. J'aime le chocolat. Je n'aime pas la salade.